Welcome. Today, we're going to evaluate the integral of tangent to the fourth power using substitution. We're going to focus on understanding how substitution can simplify this process and the use of trigonometric identities. Let's start by breaking down tangent to the fourth power. We can express it as tangent squared squared. The next thing to note is the trigonometric identity for tangent squared. Tangent squared x can be rewritten using the Pythagorean identity as secant squared x minus 1. Now, substitute the trigonometric identity back into our integral expression, as this identity simplifies our expression to secant squared minus 1 squared. Let's expand this square out. It expands to secant to the fourth power minus 2 times secant squared x plus 1. We'll split this up into separate integrals for clarity. Each term will have its own integral. 1 for secant to the fourth dx, 1 for minus 2 secant squared dx, and 1 dx. We'll start by evaluating the simplest integrals. The integral of 1 with respect to x is simply x, and the integral of secant squared x is tangent x. Now, for the more complex part, the integral of secant to the fourth power, we'll use integration techniques that might involve more substitution or reduction formulas. Finally, bring everything together. After solving the integral of secant to the fourth power, combine all terms for the final result. Remember, substitution and identities allow us to simplify complex integrals by changing our perspective.